When time we reach far along in the taxi going and way in the car, maybe she will find him out next week. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you should do. Shoot. Yo, me jump in that car, so between when we reach down the road, maybe when we reach Mandeville, she will find him. Oh, hold on. You don't do that. Look here, your mother and a teacher for knock on the door.
No, I have to take up the...
You wanna do that knock. They can't do that, man.
Take up the garbage, right?
Me know. Here you go.
Oh, God, mommy smell the most like Papa here today, no?
Here, what me do?
You know your panty?
Alright. Just... Okay. Shit. So, Wingy, know that say you are the last person left in this room. If anything to happen, no, man, I tell you the truth, but you're the last person I go left in that room. So if anything to happen, you're responsible. No, take up the rubbish. Take up the rubbish.
Me take them.
You be a nice girl. I'm not teach you how to be things.
Take up. I know me get more.
Take up the rubbish.
Then take up to them, man. Look at that big.
Give lady cup and then so.
Stop me not take no one.
Hang on. Alright. I'll go take care, alright? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
I want a picture with.
Oh. Alright. Okay, I'm coming. Picture. If you they want picture, never know. Oh, you want picture. Hey, people, they want picture, no channel. They say, with the whole of they say, I want picture. That'll be a memory. Come, hold on, come take a picture now, come on. Guys, come. They say, I want picture, come. Everybody ready? The man want picture. Oh, shoot. Call him, oh, God, don't make him go in that room. Tell us we're ready for the picture. You ready? Everybody ready? We do a group picture. Elino! Come on, we're gonna do a pic. You wanna do it here? Okay. Oh shit. We need to leave that place. Come back, Ushba. Stay, Ushba. One thing, you better look on the place here. Wait. No, you can't question me. But as I tell you, so we're not coming back here. So just look around on this property good and see you enjoy it. When you come, we'll get one picture. Everybody come together. Oh shit, your wife gone in her room. My belly hurt me. Your wife gone in her room. Oh shoot. Your wife has spot checky, please. Okay guys, are you ready? Aki walk. Make a boo. Oh shoot. Oh you. Oh your wife come. Guys, everybody come together. We're gonna do a group pic. Chanel, Jagger, we're gonna do a group pic. Come on. Honestly, you know, if you never catch me, go back out with that group here again. Swear to God. Guys, group pic. Everybody, right here. Elino, right here. Yeah. Stand up right here, so Chanel. Yeah. Come on, everybody. We're gonna be here. Alex, group pic.
Everybody can just come together for one.
Just move now.
Mighty God.
You see me talk God, not true. Jesus.
Let me tell you this. You see something missing? Body run.
I never take one, okay?
Chanel.
Take one.
You know, we are sorry for you to put you in another picture though. Take it off. Hold on. We're gonna get more people.
It don't matter to me.
I
just erase them.
Okay. All right, ready?
Take some more, yeah.
Ready?
You want to go to the back, please?
What's going?
Go to the back.
So then I car.
Yeah, stand up on my back.
Go in a car. Watch
Give me my grandbaby. I can't run her back. Come, give me. Put him in my lap. Hold him.
Ready?
No,
Yes.
no, Zoe, I can't. We go with Zoe.
Focus now.
But I rate and I focus good at all.
Mom, where is Jota?
Chanel, smile.
Okay, it's ready.
Alex, come get it over there, so please. On the other side. Sit down in front of me.
In front of you? So what have you been doing with me?
Kick in your back.
My fan shot when we can't.
Go on. Just go on over there, son. Go behind there, son.
Go on around there, sir. Go right there, that one empty spot. Go around there, sir.
What on there? Where's Zoe?
You know,
Oh, ready?
Cheese. Everybody say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. You say ever freaky that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So right now, this is your family connection.
Yes.
And don't lose contact with each other. Or when something where somebody said, bug the hell out of you,
Yeah.
cover it. And for family's sake, and make family stay tight. You know, have to stay tight now.
Yes.
Come not joke with nobody.
That's
and
true.
I hear so with there, and we have to protect yourself.
Yes.
So, you stay tight with your family. And your mother do what she does and what she can do. I don't know if I just appreciate it and say, Ashi, that make she do right thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Support each other.
Thank you.
Yes.
Get her number for me, please.
Support each other.
You can get the contact here.
Yes.
Get the number. All right.
my seat there. Well on there.
Thank you so much. Ready, Papa?
Ready? 547.
Yes. No. Oh. Go and get a number for her.
I thought that's what she was doing.
Oh, she'll get
fast
it.
with their hand, you know, you don't have to worry about
Me know, she just need to go one side and get it. Chanel, come, hey baby, come now, get it baby. Yeah, we're ready here.